Okay, so what we are going to do is to install all the required packages in virtual machine in my PC where I have access to the internet. Then I want to move all those packages to the environment where I don't have internet, in this air gap environment. I'm going to use Multipass on Windows, and I have the option with Multipass to instantiate virtual machines very easily. So let's start with that. Let me show you Multipass find. We list all the available versions that we have for Ubuntu. So I'm going to work with the Jamie, the 22 version. So let me create this virtual machine, copying this command here. I'm going to create this PC online, which is going to simulate the virtual machine with internet connectivity. After this, I'm going to create a master node, and I will create the worker nodes. If we need more than one master node or more than one worker node, we can just prepare one VM and then just replicate that or copy the virtual machine, creating several instances of that kind of flavor, of the VM, and then we can just easily escalate or cluster with more than one master or more than one worker node. Let's wait to this launch to be completed. Okay, so PC online is completed. Before showing you the list of VMs, let me just create another one. Master Kubernetes. Okay. Remember, what I'm going to do is to create a cluster with a single master node and two worker nodes. But as I was explaining, with this Master Kubernetes, when you complete all the installation and configuration of this VM, then you can just replicate that VM to have more than one master node. We will see what are the commands required to expand that Kubernetes cluster. Okay, that's it. So Multipass list. Let me show you the VMs that were created. We have primary VM, but that is installed by default by Multipass. So we are going to use the master and the PC online. Thank you for watching. Please send me your comments, like the video, and subscribe to the channel.